Peace of mind and body. 1. I had a thought which I wanted to share. Throughout the divine scriptures, there are many examples which indicate that a person shall be treated according to how they act. For example, in one verse of the Holy Quran, Allah, the Exalted, declares that He will remember the person who remembers Him. Chapter 2 Al-Baqarah, verse 152.
So remember me, I will remember you.
Another example is found in chapter 2 Al-Baqarah, verse 40.
Fulfill my covenant upon you, that I will fulfill your covenant from me.
Finally, in a narration found in Jami' at-Tirmidhi, number 1924, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised that whoever shows mercy to others will be shown mercy by Allah, the Exalted. It is quite obvious that people strive in this material world, as they desire peace of mind and contentment. In light of the earlier discussion, peace in one's life is often achieved when a person allows others to live in peace. If one reflects on their own life, they will realize that people can be split into two categories: those who mind their business and allow others to live in peace, and those who do not. It does not take a genius to figure out that those who let others live in peace are the ones who gain peace. Whereas, members of the other group never find peace irrespective of how many worldly blessings they may possess. This is one of the reasons why the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised in a narration found in Sunan Ibn Majah, number 3976, that a Muslim cannot perfect their Islam until they avoid things which do not concern them. Those who ignore this advice and busy themselves with interfering with other people are the ones who never find peace. As they deprive others of peace, in turn Allah, the Exalted, deprives them of it. Therefore, a large step towards achieving peace of mind is to let others live in peace. It is important to note, this does not mean one should abandon commanding good and forbidding evil, as this is an important duty. But it means that those things which are not sinful should be left alone, as constantly chiding others on issues which are not unlawful only leads to enmity and the loss of peace in people's lives. There was a day and age when people loved being advised by others on all lawful and unlawful matters, even if this meant they were being chided, as they desired to reform themselves for the better. But that day has long passed. Nowadays, most people dislike being chided over the unlawful, let alone those things which are lawful yet undesirable. So it is best to avoid this attitude if one desires to gain a bit of peace in their life. To conclude, the one who lets others live in peace shall be granted peace by Allah, the Exalted.